In this video I'm going to show you how to set up geofences. Many of you are probably asking, what are geofences? Okay, well, geofences are perimeters that are set up by you that when tripped, when the vehicle arrives or leaves a specific location, those activities are recorded in the truck activity report, map status grid, and in the truck balloon. You can alert on them as well, which is optional and has to be configured in alerts. There are many different uses for geofences. I'm going to name just a few of the more common uses. First of all, you can use a geofence when you want to know when a driver enters or leaves a customer's grounds or any location of importance. You can use a geofence to keep track of unauthorized use of a vehicle after hours. Simply put a geofence around the driver's house. When he leaves that specific location, you can set up an alert that basically tells you that he is using this vehicle after hours without authorization. You can use a geofence to monitor the time spent within a customer's location. Use multiple geofences or geofences within geofences to do this. So when they go from one station to a next, you're going to be able to see the exact time spent at each specific location within that customer's location. So there's many different uses for geofences. Use your imagination and create geofences that help you manage your fleet more effectively. Okay, let's get started. Log into your interface. Click on Options. Click on Points. And this takes you to the Geofence page. Click on Add New to create a new geofence. Now simply fill out the form as shown here. The point name can be anything you want it to be, like customer name or location name. The point type is simply the type of icon that will be used for this location on the map. In this case, I will use brown building. Select the country US by default or Canada. Next, fill out the address information: street, city, state, and zip code. The latitude and longitude will be calculated by the system. Don't type anything in these cells. Next, click Apply to apply the default of a radius of 500 feet around the location. This is the area that, when tripped by one of your drivers, records in the truck activity report, map status grid, and in the truck balloon. And as I have said before, you can alert on these specific geofences as well, which is optional and has to be configured in alerts. Click Locate to apply the geofence around the selected location. Always make certain to click Save when you're done creating your geofence. And there you have it. You have created your first geofence. You can also expand or contract the radius by changing the default number as seen here. Make certain to click Apply to apply the new radius. And you can change the view to satellite view. Zoom in on the location of interest and right-click where you want to center the locator icon. That is a key feature that helps you dial in these geofences. Again, always save any changes you make. And that's the basics of setting up a geofence. We'll talk about polygon geofences in another video. Thanks.